Using essential playback controls. So if I'm down in my project browser and I'm going along and I'm looking through things and I say, oh, I want to go to my different clips, and I say, oh, I'm going to go into my Amsterdam, I'm going to go into my clips, and I want to look at one particular clip. I'll pick on it, double click on it, it shows up in the source monitor. To hit the play button, we're going to come up here into our playback controls, and we're going to hit the play button. And you can see right here, this is my playhead. This is where we're at any given time. And I can then go step forward one frame. Now this is just one frame, right? Of, you'll see that over here in my time, I'm going one frame at a time. I can also go backwards one frame. If I come here and go to the end, it's at the very beginning of the video. I can go over here to the out of the video, so it's at the very tail end of the video. So I'll start back at the end, and so these are our basic controls, and you'll notice then that we have, this is our time ruler across here, this is our time, but this right here is my playback resolution. You notice it's set at half. It's at half the resolution. I don't generally want to go at full because it eats up a lot of computer processor. You might want to lower it if your computer is not up to snuff. Maybe go down to a quarter, for example, because you're just actually perusing through your videos at this point. You're not making any final resolution here. So lowering the playback resolution is not a bad thing. So default, it jumps at half. This is where we normally run it. So if you have a weak machine, you might want to go down, for example. And so this is our playback controls right in here. And so we want to click on any one we want down here in our project browser. We'll come up and play. I can scrub back and forth by grabbing onto the playhead, and this is known as scrubbing. Slide it back and forth, right? Makes that funny sound, right? So I can go back to the end, and so I can review my media in my source monitor. Okay, so when I'm using my playback controls that are found right here. All right,